What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. And today was beautiful day 3 here in Ocean City, Maryland at Cruisin Ocean City 2024. Today's video, I shot the entire video at the Inlet, and there was an amazing bunch of cars there today. As you guys already know, each video I do a giveaway of some Bangin Garage swag. Today we're going to be giving away a Bangin baseball cap, just like the one I'm wearing right now. To be eligible, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Garage on YouTube, and that puts you in the running to win the swag in today's video, again, which is this hat. Not this hat, but a hat just like it. Yesterday we'll be giving away a fleece, and the day before that we gave away another hat. So once you're subscribed to Bangin Garage on YouTube, like and comment on those previous videos, and that puts you in the running to win the other swag in those videos. It increases your chances. So if you're here also and you're taking pictures or you're owning the videos, you check us out on Facebook at Bangin Garage. You should have got a postcard with some QR codes on it in your goodie bag. You could use that, or you could use the link I put at the bottom of the screen. All right, so enjoy today's video. We'll see you tomorrow right here at the Bangin Garage.